This is Trivet, the perfect accessory for any kitchen. Trivet is a one-of-a-kind lid holder and dual trivet all in one. It's easy to use, minimizes clutter, and is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Better still, it helps to minimize burns, the spread of germs, and damage to surfaces while cooking. Trivet is made of durable cast metal and non-slip silicone pads that combine in an ergonomically sleek and modern design. Simply click Trivet into one of 3 set positions. The Z shape is perfect for holding hot lids of any size while cooking or presenting finished dishes in a unique and eye-catching way.
The bottom of each ring is lined with small rubber pads, which prevents Trivet from sliding. Ultimately, this is a product that is very reliable, it's easy to use, and it has an intuitive design.
Besides being functional, we wanted Trivet to have a beautiful aesthetic with strong but graceful curves, for it to be durable but not be bulky. We ultimately opted for an asymmetric design that combined all of those factors to create a sleek and modern look. Trivet is perfect for use when cooking in your kitchen and serving at the dinner table. Whether it's a formal dinner party or a casual barbecue, it's appealing in a variety of settings. It works great for chefs in professional kitchens. And it's also perfect for catering or in a restaurant setting for elevating dishes like a pizza. Because this product is so
The Aqua House Hydrant is a revolutionary new type of outdoor faucet system that makes accessing your water easier than ever before. Forget the hassle of brass spigots. You'll never have to thread on your garden hose or deal with leaks and drips again. With the Aqua connector attached to your hose, simply plug into the house hydrant for instant water access. Water flow starts as soon as you connect. No wasted time. Just water when you need it. When you're done, just unplug and go. The water automatically stops when you disconnect, and the hydrant self-drains to prevent freezing. Aqua's patented twist lock connection system uses water pressure and high-performance O-rings to close the rear valve, creating a leak-proof seal every time. The house hydrant is made from marine-grade stainless steel and is built to last. The hose connector is DuPont Delrin, a heavy-duty polymer resin that's good for thousands of engagements. 2 levels of backflow protection are available, with 5 stem lengths to match your wall depth and 2 colors to match your home's exterior. Say goodbye to frustrating hose bibs and switch to an Aqua house hydrant today. We make products that you actually enjoy using. With Aqua, you'll save time and water.
for the perfect Father's Day gift for the man who has everything? Introducing the Brush Hero. Powered by pure torque and generated by your garden hose alone, the Brush Hero is perfect for your car guy, grill master, weekend cyclist, or backyard gardener. The Brush Hero never corrodes, requires no batteries or electricity, and provides strong, water-powered cleaning and detailing for cars, motorcycles, bikes, boats, golf clubs, yard tools, barbecues, window screens, pets, and more. Simply push on a brush, flip the handy on-off switch, and start cleaning. Don't get him another boring tie. Buy Dad the Brush Hero today. He'll have fun blasting the grime away.